Are we ready? Welcome to my recline and the pranayama exercise today. I'm using this cube. This is the one that I always use because it's really comfortable. And let me show you how I sit down. I place my coccyx on the top of the cube, just like this, and my hips are elevated. So this allows me to have a comfortable position with my back straight, and the shoulders should be relaxed. Never like this or tense, no, just relax the body. If you don't have a cube like this one, no worries. Just take a towel, a big one, you roll it and make something like this type of shape and just put it under your coccyx. This is going to be our positions since the beginning till the end. Rule number 1, back straight, relax shoulders. Rule number 2, we're gonna seal during the whole exercise our lips, and we're gonna breathe only through the nose. And first, we relax and we are gonna breathe, inhaling and exhaling. Every time that you inhale and exhale, be aware and mindful that your air is like a little car that is traveling through the belly and it goes up, and when it goes up, you open your chest, you expand the chest, and you exhale, and then when you inhale and exhale, the traveled air is exhaling, your belly button goes inside. So always visualize that little car that you have inside with a ball of air that it travels and goes up and down and so on. So relax and inhaling, exhale, I exhale all the air. I curve my back on purpose, like if this is a cat-cow position, and inhale again. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. All this time, it's really important that you make the sound of the ocean, and imagine that you have a wave that it sounds and you feel it. You can feel the air traveling behind your throat, and it goes through the nose and it goes out. So you do the, and when I do that, I feel the air traveling behind my throat. I feel it. So you should be able to feel this. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, stay in the position, back straight, relax the shoulder. Now we begin with the pranayama exercising using these 2 fingers, or the ring finger and the big one if you feel more comfortable. And we're gonna blow the air exactly like when you blow your nose, exactly the same. One side first and then the other side. So we block one nose and we blow. We block the other one and we blow. And every time that we block and we blow, in each blowing, we are pulling the belly inside. And actually take your left hand, or the hands that you're using, and put it on the top of your belly. And feel every blow. It's like someone is throwing a basketball, a volleyball, on your belly and smash it like this. This is the main and the most important part of the pranayama, the blowing and feeling all the pressure on your belly. It doesn't matter if you go fast or if you go slow. The most important is you do it on your own pace and you go little by little. Okay, so let's do it for a few minutes and we begin. Exhale. Inclinate to the front. With no air, let me explain to you this before. When you blow all the air outside, your belly is gonna be empty. And in that moment, since your stomach is empty because you haven't eaten yet, so you're gonna pull all the organs. That's why this is one of the most important exercises to practice in the morning, because you reorganize your organs. And let's say like we place and we set the organs early in the morning in the right position with the early stomach. So you suck out the belly like a vacuum once we blow all the hair. So let's do it. We blow the hair. Inhale. Exhale. We hold the breath, inhale and hold. At least 15 seconds, at least 30 seconds, and if you can, 1 minute. We hold. Release, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, this is, let's say, like one fragment of my personal pranayama exercise. So first we blow, pulling the belly button inside, then continues, we blow all the hair out, we throw the air out, empty the stomach. When we empty the stomach, we come here to the front. Another reason why the coccyx need to be higher, to make it more easy. And we pull and we suck the air out, empty the belly. in that moment, when you're here with the empty stomach, you can do certain movement, maybe like some rounds one side. You can twist to the other one, or simply if it's uncomfortable, just like this. But suck the air out to make sure to reorganize everything that is inside. Then, after this position, since it's empty the stomach, we inhale up your arm and your hands and down, exhale. Imagine it's a waterfall and it's down there. Here we inhale and we hold the breath. Okay? Let's do it in the beginning. Pranayama, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Straighten your back. And the last exercise. Exhaling. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale and exhale. Shoulders front. Inhale and exhale. And namaste. This was our session from pranayama exercise and cleaning also the stomach. One of the main benefits of the pranayama exercises is that we make our bloodstream to flow faster, and it's, let's say, like an auto clean for the body. Remember that all the toxins goes to the blood, and also it's a wonderful way to have to boost our energy, especially early in the morning. So it's having like a cup of coffee, a cup of green tea, or something like that. It's a wonderful, really good exercise to practice also if you have asthma or any issues, respiratory and problems issues. And the empty stomach, when we practice this, that is something that I do extra with the pranayama. This is not pranayama. Is basically to reorganize the organs and to clean all my stomach. So usually after I finish doing this exercise, then I eat, and then right away it's like I need to go to the bathroom because my body starts like desintoxicating, and I feel like good harmony, invigorant, and it's strong. So it's a really good exercise to practice every single day. You can take 5 or 10 minutes, just go on your way. Maybe you can go through the time. I do this usually a little bit more faster because I'm used to that, and I start. But it doesn't matter if you do fast or you slow. The most important thing is that you practice this exercise or breathing exercises every single beautiful morning of your life. And this is it. Let me know any comment over there. Let me know how do you feel. How do you feel doing this exercise? If you feel more energetic, more happy, something like that. Let's activate our own spirulina in our body. Let me know in the comments and subscribe so you can know for the next video what's coming on to be healthy and happy. Have a beautiful day.